Hello from Walt Disney World's Animal Kingdom Lodge. I'm in a Disney Vacation Club villa, and so that's the front door. There's a wall-length mirror, a nice and bright bathroom with lots of colors of Africa. Nice countertop space. This room comes with a kitchen or kitchenette with some delicious coffee and snack items. This is a single queen bed in this room, so it's not a full, because they've got it into a living room almost like a suite or a junior suite, which is really nice. Very comfortable closet to hang everything in with a safe. Beautiful woodwork on the dresser. Although they didn't spell my name right, well, they spelled the first name. I don't know what's up with the second name, but whatever. Really cool high back chairs with a lot of African theme carvings, and a great place to sit and relax and watch some TV. And then they gave me a room. I asked for near the lobby and near elevators. I'm actually on the pool side, which is really beautiful. And so that'd be the Boma restaurant under those thatch roof pieces. That's the main hotel, and then I'm on the 5th floor, which is, I believe, top floor. So it's really quite beautiful, and I'm gonna go swimming later. I actually brought my trunks, and then we've got a really nice patio. It's about at least 10 or 12 feet. Anyway, so that's it. This is a Disney Vacation Club villa, and very nice.